Let's talk about the Lasso Tool. Its shortcut key is L, and it is located right here in the toolbar, along with the polygonal lasso tool and the magnetic lasso tool. The lasso tool is a free-form selection tool. You can draw a selection just using your mouse or your trackpad. You can click inside. Oh, I've got the intersectional one. You can click inside and move that selection around. So this icon in the options bar means create a new selection. I don't have to close it myself. I can go wherever I want, and when I let go of the mouse it will do a straight line to close it off. These other options in the option bar allow me to add to the selection. You'll see the little plus key, the plus symbol by the tool. This one allows me to subtract from a selection, so I could poke a hole in that selection if I wanted, or take off an edge. And then this tool allows me to do the intersection of those, so it just where those two intersect. The shortcut keys are the same, so if I hold the shift key down you get the plus. If I hold the option key on a Mac or the alt key on a PC you get the subtract. If I hold both down you get the intersection. So that's quickly the shortcut keys. Now if you're really good at drawing with a mouse, this tool would be useful, but I'm not very good at drawing with the mouse, but that's not too critical using this, because there's another option in the option bar which we'll be learning a lot more about, called Refine Edge. So there I've drawn a selection around that, and you'll notice that I have a Refine Edge button. I can click on that, and then I can view this as either marching ants or as an overlay or on black, the number of different ways. And then I have a tool about refining the radius and erasing the refine edge. And so I can get my brush tool, and it is a brush tool. I can make it bigger or smaller, and I can just go along where that edge should be, and when I let go, Photoshop will try to use its smarts to locate the edge and refine that edge. So you can kind of see what's happening there. And now you see it's kind of gotten into the hat just a little bit, but let me finish this off. And we have also an erase refinement, and so I can come back in here and say, well, that was really part of the hat right there, and it looks like I got just a little bit right there, and maybe just a touch right in there. So once you're finished with it, you can shift the edge. We can shift the edge in, we can shift the edge out, we can feather the edge a little bit, we can smooth the rough edges off a little bit if we want, and then we can even take a moment and output it as a selection or a layer mask or as a new layer. I'm going to go with selection and click OK, and now Command J jump that to a new layer, and you can see that I've got my hat pretty well selected. So that's the lasso tool.